In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and refine an AI-generated video in the Meta AI app. To get started, open the Meta AI app on your mobile device and begin a new chat. This is where you'll enter the instructions for the video you want the app to create. If your goal is to generate a video, make sure your prompt clearly describes what you want to see on screen. The better your description is, the better the result is likely to be. One important thing to know is that many versions of the Meta AI app don't include a separate menu for detailed video settings. Because of that, you'll usually control the final result by writing those preferences directly into your prompt. In other words, instead of selecting options from a settings panel, you'll describe them in plain language. For example, you can include phrases like cinematic style, realistic animation, 16 by 9 landscape format, 9 by 16 vertical format, HD quality, or slow camera movement. These kinds of details help guide the app toward the look and format you want. You can also go further by describing the mood of the video, the lighting, any visual effects, the camera angle, and the pacing. If you want something dramatic, soft, energetic, polished, or minimal, say so directly in the prompt. Clear wording makes a big difference. Once your prompt is ready, send it and wait for Meta AI to generate the video. Depending on the app and your device, this may take a little time, so be patient while the result is created. After the video is generated, review it carefully. Look at whether the format, style, motion, and overall feel match what you had in mind. If something seems off, or if you want to improve the result, go back and edit your prompt. Be more specific about the changes you want. For example, you might request a different aspect ratio, a new visual style, smoother movement, or a different camera perspective. Small prompt changes can lead to noticeably better results. Then generate the video again using your updated prompt. This process is often iterative, which means you may need to make a few adjustments before the video matches your preferred settings and style. Keep refining your wording until the output looks the way you want. Once you're happy with the final result, use the save or share options available in the Meta AI app to export your generated video. And that's how to create, adjust, and finalize a video in Meta AI.